really for the end of the song?
I thought you had a band.
Hey, the band's gotta stay together.
Half the band left.
Yeah.
Here. We can't have the band. Leave it.
No.
Yes, okay.
Put that tongue in.
Yeah, say hi, you're cool.
Go, baby.
Free bird.
Come on, Gianna. Gabby.
Who likes hot nickel?
Me.
Me.
You do this.
Gab, sing hot when you're cold. Come on, do it together.
Hot nickel. Yes and no. Yes and Yes and Excuse me, there is no video.
Honey, I'm not videotaping. I'm not. Get out of here. I'm not. I'm just practicing. I'm just practicing.
Excuse me.
There's no videotaping allowed.
After you got me singing, you're not allowed to videotape.
It's off.
It's off.
It's off.
Mommy's just practicing.
Look at me.
We are looking.
Does anybody want to come up stage and do a song? Sing whatever,
No, I'm comfortable in my seat, thank you.
whatever voice they want?
No, we want to listen to you and Gabby.
Where's the piano player going?
Where? You're leaving again. Get back over there. The piano player left.
Say song.
Uh-oh. What happened?
Ooh,
Oh,
that doesn't look good.
injury, guitar injury.
She's breaking out.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. You can't break nails.
You okay? You want me to bite it off?
Well,
You
gee,
okay?
don't do that. That's gonna hurt more.
Mommy will take a clipper
I
to
don't know if
it.
mommy wants to just put down the video.